Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you haven't danced with me before, I'm Hannah from Stardust Dance Academy in Cambridge. In this video, I'm going to show you some easy choreography I've done to the song Dance Monkey. Now, if you enjoy this video and if you want to learn the dance, I've made a separate video where I break down the moves and teach it to you step by step. So I've dropped a link below if you want to check that out after you've watched this.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I sing you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I beg you to be that again. They say, dance for me, dance for me.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to check out the link below and you can watch the tutorial where I'll teach you this dance step by step. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out more videos from me and some of the other Stardust teachers.